Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Let's discuss how to get the sum of a geometric progression in a Python. We can use recursion here. Before that, what is geometric progression? This is a kind of series of number where the difference between the two number is same, but here every next element is multiplier of the previous number. So if you see, let's take an example here. So we are discussing geometric progression. Okay, so if we say, let's say the first number is 2, the progression is like 4, then 8, then 16. If you see here, the difference between 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, 8 multiplied by 2 is 6. So everyone is multiplied. So you can say that it's 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. So the difference between each number is known as R. Okay, it can be in a reverse order also, like 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and then 1 by 16, right? These both are the geometric progression. Okay, let's create a method and then try to understand it. So definition, code as it is, geometric sum. So let's see first. So suppose we have taken this fourth element. By default here I am keeping the multiplier fixed like by 2. So if we put the sum of this is 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So if we pass the 4, it will take the first 4 number starting from the 2. I am taking it for the example. You can put any number. 4 to 6, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 16, 30, right? Same way, if you multiplied it, it's 1 by, okay, and then sum is, let's pass in parameter of n, right? Okay, so if, let's first take the example of this one, the simple one, and then we will take this fraction one, right? First, if the n is less than, you can say, because the 0, if you power anything to 0, 2 to the power 0, it's 1. So if you less than 1, we have to return 0. Okay, else we have to take the power, like power is a method which gives the, like if you say 2 to the power n, it means that it gives you the result of 2 to the power n, right? Okay, and then plus we have to call the method again, right, with the one lesser number. Simple. So if you see here this one, okay, so it's power 2 to the power 1 plus power 2 to the power 2 plus power 2 to the power 3, the same amount, because we are taking the fourth number till the fourth number, so we have to say here and the 2 to the power 4, right? Okay, so if we write the same way, let's run this and try to understand. So if you say here print code as t geometric, let's say 4, let's run this. Okay, it's giving some error. Four to the power 4, 5. Unsupported type, it's for int and none type. This is the none type. Oh, we have to return it, right? Because if we not return it, then it will not give the answer. Okay, say it's printing 30. So if we increase something like again the 5, then it becomes plus power of 2 to the power 5, right? And then it's 30 plus 2 to the power 5 is 32. So answer will be 62, right? Let's run this. Oh, it's not. It's saying I have changed it to the wrong place. See, if you run this, see, it's printing 62. Now let's take in this fraction part. How we will handle this? So here one should be there. To say less than 0, or equal to 0, it's 0. And here, because we are using the fraction, so we have to use this fraction. Rest everything will be same, right? Let's run this. 1.96875. So this is the way to calculate the sum of the geometric progression using recursion. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any query related to this, you can email me. I will check it out.